Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 345 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Heavy Days, a quiet space for the moments when everything feels a little harder than usual. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Some days feel heavy in the body, slow in the mind, or dim in the heart. You don't have to push yourself out of it right now. You only need to be here. Let your shoulders lower just a bit. Let your breath fall into a steady rhythm. And let yourself feel supported by your seat, your floor, your space. Now, say to yourself, I can take this day slowly. I can rest inside my breath. And I deserve gentleness, even on heavy days. Feel your breath warming your chest, softening the tightness, and lightening the weight just a little. When you are ready, return to the present moment and carry this small gentleness forward into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.